First, let's start here because we may have our clearest picture yet of the man who killed United Healthcare CEO Brian Thompson. The NYPD releasing these photos of a person of interest smiling and reportedly flirting with a hostel worker. NewsNation sources believe the person on your screen may in fact be the shooter. And we're learning more about how much planning went into the gunman's ambush. Sources revealing the suspect may have been in New York for weeks, used a fake ID to book his stay in the city. NewsNation's Alex Capriello is in New York City, again with the latest. Alex, where does the manhunt stand this morning? And what more are investigators learning about this guy?
Markie, good morning to you. New reporting overnight reveals that the gunman in this attack possibly took a bus all the way from Atlanta and used a fake ID from New Jersey to book both that ride and a lodging at a hostel on the Upper West Side. At this point, that gunman is still on the loose. We're entering our third day here. There's no clear indication that he's even in New York at this time. Investigators visiting that hostel they believe he was staying at on Thursday, searching for new evidence and speaking to possible eyewitnesses. One female worker who reportedly was flirting with him asked him to lower his mask. That's when we got this, the clearest picture that police have released at this time. Police, at least officially, are being careful with their wording, saying this is a person of interest wanted for questioning. NewsNation sources, however, say they believe this photo shows the shooter. Police haven't hosted a press conference with new information since Wednesday, but one former lieutenant commander with NYPD told Elizabeth Vargas that doesn't mean they haven't made progress in identifying or tracking down the killer.
I think there's a lot more that they have right now. And I think right now they have the photos out there that are going to help identify him. But they also have some other evidence that they're going to hold close to the vest right now until they start furthering the case down the line. But they'll stay on this 24/7 with all the manpower that they need to get this case solved.
And investigators continue to look into the evidence found right here at the crime scene outside the hotel, including those shell casings that had the words defend, depose, deny, so closely similar to the title of a 2010 book all about health insurance and the ways that these mega companies avoid paying out claims to its recipients. The title of that book, Defend, Delay, Deny. Also, one other piece of evidence found out here by the crime scene was a cell phone. Our NewsNation sources say they believe that is a burner phone, so it really speaks to the level of premeditation that came into this attack.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.